Hi guys, it's Simon from TechnoLife Video, and I'm using my one and only video from this prison cell to talk to you about WWDC. So guys, I'm not actually in a prison cell. This is my new studio. Looking a bit bare at the moment, especially from this camera angle. Basically, I'm looking to get it all set up, but there's been a lot going on. I'm going overseas in 9 days. I've just moved house. The Cavs won the championship, yes. So there's a lot going on, so the studio will come later. But WWDC is what I'm here to talk about. So in this video, I thought I'd just give a little quick overview, and then in some other videos, I'll talk about each of the individual things. So basically, WWDC is the Worldwide Developers Conference, if I can spit it out. The hottest kind of ticket in town. But basically, they've now got software for the watch, the Apple Watch, called Watch OS. For the iPhone, iOS, and for Mac, it used to be OS X. Now it's called Mac OS, and there's also TV OS, which is for the Apple TV. So updates and changes to all of those at WWDC or announcements. These upgrades will be released a little bit later in the year. So they're announced at WWDC, developers get on board, update their apps, and that way when they launch, the functionality is there. Lots and lots of changes to Watch OS especially, and iOS, some major changes in terms of allowing developers greater access. So they would be, to me, the kind of the big ones, but there's still a lot of changes to Mac OS, OS X, Mac OS now. There's a lot of changes there as well. Some changes to Apple TV, that's obviously, TV OS, that's obviously had some fairly recent kind of big changes anyway, but there's been more along those lines. And another thing that's come out is Swift Playground, which ties in nicely to the, wanting kids to get into coding because so much computer stuff is going to happen in the future. And Swift Playground is, an app that allows you to experiment and understand a little bit more about the coding process, and it's got a bunch of kind of tutorials that you can work through to try to learn a little bit more about the Swift programming language. I guess mainly aimed at kids, but I'm going to have a look at it, see if an old guy like me can learn a little bit about programming in Swift. So yeah, look, there's a lot that's happened. I'm going to put some other videos together talking about the various software operating systems for the different devices. But this was basically just an introduction just to talk about what had actually happened. So yeah, there you go. Check out the other videos. I'm Simon from TechnoLife Video. Either comment here or comment the other videos. What caught your eye at WWDC? And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. We're going to talk about WWDC. Hi guys, it's Simon from TechnoLife Video, and I'm doing an on-lab app.